Hello there RC car fans, John here. Just thought I'll give you a short video on the TT02 chassis. Been doing some modifications and I've finally had from Yeah Racing. So this is courtesy of the guys RCMart. They provided me with this Yeah Racing TT02 adjustable steering tie rod set, and put this into the car to try and help me with the steering adjustments. So quite a straightforward installation, and following the manual you have to make up the turnbuckles for the steering rods. There's two of those and one that fits on the servo, and one of those. So pop those into the car. So I've just followed the manual there, and I'll go through my measurements in a moment, because the measurements on here are that you do 30.5 for the steering ones. If I can just get in there, you go, 30.5. And for the one on the servo, they recommend 41 as a starting point. However, slightly different to that. So as you can see, here's my chassis, and it's looking quite good. So first of all, the one that attaches to the servo, let's see if I can get to it. There we are. A lot of black in here. So there's the one that goes to the servo. Attaches to the servo with a ball joint, quite easy to put on, and then attaches to the bridge here, again using a ball joint. I made this one 42 millimeters. I had to compensate for the spline on the servo. I was one spline to the right as you're facing it, so I had to lengthen the arm to give me a little bit longer arm. And on here I've also popped them onto both the left hand side of the car and the right hand side of the car, and just to show you how they go on. So again, you basically, you pop the ball joint on the steering arm there and onto there, and the adjustments that I made for the steering arm for me to get the wheels steering straight were for these ones, the two steering arm ones here. I did them at 34 millimeters on the centers, so that's center to center. And on this one, on the actual servo, from the bridge to the servo, I did on centers, I did 42 millimeters. So that's 42 millimeter center to center, and that turned out quite nicely. So now you can see these are nice and straight, and I've managed to get the wheels so that they're nice and straight as well, and looks quite good. So I'm quite happy with that. I've given it a short run. I do need to tweak on the run, so I need to charge the batteries up and go out again. But thank you to the guys at RCMart. They managed to send me the steering servo arm set at a reasonable price, and like I say, that's the one that I'm using here is the Yeah Racing adjustable steering tie rod set for the TT02 chassis. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see how it goes, and I'll give you an update with how it ran. Take care for now. Bye bye.